How to restore vintage Singer sewing machines. Are you interested in restoring a machine or two? I asked myself this very question a while ago. My answer was just get a sewing machine and some oil and go to it. Of course, restoring sewing machines takes more care than just a little oil. Greetings, viewers. 3 new additions at Jebb Adams Vintage Singer Sanctuary. On the right here, we have a Singer model 503J. And this came from just Belleville area in southeastern Ontario recently. Here we have a Singer 411G. And this also has the internal motor, and this one is seized when I attempt to use the hand wheel to actuate the needle bar. But if I release the clutch so that just for bobbin winding, then the wheel works as intended. It works correctly. However, as soon as I re-engage the clutch for the needle bar, it seizes up again. So this one definitely needs a little bit of care. It's been waiting for me to come along for a while. On the left, another favorite machine. This one was it's a train wreck. It's a real live train wreck. It came out of a house, a condemned house that was slated for demolition and was being prepared for demolition. And this came in a case. Just a case and the pedal and the sewing machine, no accessories or anything like that, of course. And it was going to end up in a dumpster. So one of the contractor that was getting the house ready, he put it on Kijiji for 20 bucks. And this one does rotate. I mean, it's filthy and it needs maintenance, just like all 3 of them do, because, well, that one doesn't work. This one works, the 503. So there you have it. That's how I got started restoring. So if you're interested in restoring, and it's the easiest thing to do is start with oiling. For example, up here we have 1, 2, 3 oil ports. There are little wicks in there. There's only one over on this side. Same thing here on that machine and on the on the 503. 1, 2, 3, and then 1. So they're very interesting machines to work on. So yeah, it was a good week. Got these all in the last week. Very reasonable. 130 Canadian dollars, just under 100 American for 3 machines. You know, all steel, all internal drive. I mean, I love these machines. I really do. I'm not selling any of them yet. I'm more actually just acquiring them. But these will be featured in the next few weeks or months, especially on the channel as we bring them up to snuff. So, you know, if you're interested in restoring, we can do it together on Sundays and Wednesdays. Thanks for watching, and if you like, please like. If you like coming here and viewing, please come and view. And if you would like to subscribe, that would be great too. Thank you.